How to rank #1 on YouTube and Google in 2026 step by step. Did you know that thousands of YouTube videos are uploaded every single minute, yet only a small percentage ever reach the top of YouTube and Google search results? If you've been creating videos but struggling to get views, subscribers or traffic, don't worry, because today you're going to learn how smart creators are getting their videos ranked fast using powerful YouTube SEO strategies. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to do it. YouTube is now the second largest search engine in the world, owned by Google itself. That means when your videos are optimized correctly, they can appear not only on YouTube, but also on Google search results. So how do top creators make this happen? It starts with keywords. Before creating a video, successful YouTubers research exactly what people are searching for. Instead of guessing topics, they target high-demand search phrases with lower competition. For example, instead of using a broad title like weight loss tips, they might target something more specific like how to lose belly fat fast for beginners. Specific keywords help YouTube understand exactly what your video is about. Next comes your video title. Your title should include your main keyword naturally while also making people curious enough to click. Strong titles combined with eye-catching thumbnails dramatically improve your click-through rate, one of YouTube's biggest ranking factors. But ranking isn't just about getting clicks. YouTube also watches how long people stay on your video. This is called audience retention. If viewers leave after 10 seconds, YouTube assumes your content isn't valuable. But if viewers stay engaged and watch most of your video, YouTube starts recommending your content to more and more people. That's why successful creators hook viewers immediately within the first few seconds. Another huge secret is optimization. Top-ranking videos use keyword-rich descriptions, accurate captions, relevant tags, timestamps, hashtags, and playlist links. These signals help both YouTube and Google understand your content better. Consistency also matters. Channels that upload regularly build authority with the YouTube algorithm over time. Even uploading once per week consistently can outperform random uploads every few months. And here's something many beginners don't realize. Most successful YouTubers use specialized SEO tools to uncover hidden keywords, analyze competition, optimize titles, and track rankings automatically. These tools can save hours of work while giving your videos a much better chance of reaching page 1 on YouTube and Google. If you're serious about growing your channel, getting more views, and building a real online income with YouTube, using the right SEO strategy can completely change your results. The creators getting massive traffic today aren't just lucky. They understand how the algorithm works. And now, you can too. So if you're ready to finally get your videos discovered, attract more subscribers, and rank higher than ever before, check out the powerful YouTube SEO system linked below. Your next viral video could be closer than you think. Thanks for watching. Also, be sure to click on the web promotion link in the description of this video.